Liverpool Police Report number 42 was a theft between 9 p.m. and August 13 and 8 a.m. Padlock valued at $4.95, stolen from Gator Fence outside home at 2716 Glenwood Court.
Damn it, Kowalski! You're the type of trigger-happy son of a bitch I'm trying to keep off cases like this. Why do you want the padlock case so bad? Damn it, you know I need this case! I'm so close, I can taste it! Ugh. You make me sick. I've told you a man who could help you out with my padlock problem.
If it's a padlock you seek, I can possibly point you in the right direction for a little money.
Damn it, man, it'll cost you a life if you don't tell me! For too long, I have sat here while my gate remains padlockless. The police ain't doing nothing. No one's doing nothing in this crazy world where people can go between 8 a.m. and 9 p.m. and steal a padlock from a man. I'm taking the law into my own motherfucking hands. I have you now, you no good son of a bitch.
If I go down, I'm taking this padlock with me.
No!